What's the deal, YouTube? It's your boy TYB, aka Laneyy P. Welcome back to another video, another banger, man. Just want to say thank you so much for the love on the last two videos. It really means the world to me. So since we got so many new people, I gotta catch y'all up today. Just in case you guys haven't watched the previous videos, I do have a Mark V Supra, and her name is Susie. We took her on a 1,000-mile road trip from here to Vegas, around Vegas, and back here, and that all added up to 1,000 miles. Along the trip, we hit our milestone, our goal of 40,000 total miles on Susie. So we can go ahead, we celebrate. We do drive our cars over here. We have no garage queens, we don't mess with that, you feel me? Cars are meant to be driven, so that's what we do on this channel. During that 1,000-mile road trip, Susie took a major beating. She had rock chips, bird shit, bugs. We lost wheel weights, you know, the balance was off, you know, the whole nine. I'm gonna show y'all right now the aftermath of the 1,000-mile road trip and just how bad Susie was looking, and then we're gonna wash her, clean her up just before we get into today's shenanigans. The white is hiding it very well, so you can't even see how dirty the car is. But if I get up close, you guys might be able to see just how many bugs and how yucky, how nasty she looking. And I really think, like, look, just look at the windshield. The windshield is just disgusting. But I also think I lost some of my wheel weights. There's one right here, but like just look at the carbon fiber. Look how dusty it is. Like, y'all can see how nasty this shit just looks. I got a fat ass bird shit right here that needs to go, and the brake dust, just look at all the brake dust. Just look at that. Look at how nasty that is. But yeah, right here, I don't know if there was a wheel weight right here.
Can't consider myself basic. Yeah. This infinity pool is for bitches who get naked. Yeah, couple shots of Azul, I can't move, I'm too faded. Yeah, I'm prepared for round two, what to do, I'm dedicated. Yeah, grab a bottle and watch me face it. Yeah, cause it's a black money party.
Hey guys, welcome back. As many of you on the channel might know me, it's Durag Daily here. And today we're gonna be stealing my friend's car when he won't fucking expect it, okay? He has no idea that I'm about to... This is an unexpected video. We did something very unexpected today. We kind of went out on a limb and we bought a car. And it's a car I never thought I would buy. I don't even like these kind of cars, but it was a manual car, and we're gonna have some fun with it before we get rid of it. We are gonna be looking to sell this car, make some profit with it. So I'm not gonna tell you how much we got the car for, but we're gonna have some fun with it before we sell it off to the new owner. So without further ado, here is the new addition to the channel. It is a Ford Mustang GT with a manual transmission, and it's got a few things that we're gonna clean up, like her catalytic converter. Somebody tried to steal that shit. I don't know who, but it's hanging. It's got a mean exhaust leak, but that's an easy fix. I'm not even too worried about that. Now we're gonna clean her up, show her some love, and hopefully send her off to a new owner who appreciates it and loves it and does something nice with it. Let's go ahead and let's go get to know her a little bit. So we got this ghetto ass key, and we already, you said what?
This shit's fucking spacious as fuck.
Then you actually don't look 12 in this motherfucker.
Oh, really?
This key is hella ghetto. The clutch is a little stiff too. I'm finna be buff as fuck driving this shit. Looked like we wasn't putting it in far enough, pause, but hey, she crank right up though. We're gonna figure out how to get home. We gotta stop and get gas first because she is running on fumes.
Yo, he's nervous as fuck. Look at him. I hope he stalls.
There's so much traffic.
Bro, just go. Hey, don't be a weenie, just go. Hey, he didn't stall.
Hey, I'm really doing it though on me. First try, stop playing.
What these bitches want from a nigga, I can't trust in these niggas, cause I heard they tryna take what I got. I heard they say I ain't the golden token, said I ain't got the motion, but I'm everything they say that I am not. I don't know who let them, but they would do better only if they knew.
Ooh, that clutch. Hey, we made it, boys. We did catch on fire with the gas leak.
It stopped leaking after you left.
It did?
Yeah.
We made it, boys. We welcome Dust Bucket to the channel. All right, bro, do you remember anything about the tutorial? Okay, clutch all the way down, e-brake off, put it in the first gear, put your foot on the brake. When you want to go, take your foot off the brake, and then give it a little gas and take it off the clutch. There you go.
More gas, more gas. More gas. Oh.
Fuck.
All right, round 2. Oh, 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 you got a gas. Hey, let me hop in. You did it, bro. Keep going. Do you know how to shift? You don't need a shift yet. Good job, DJ.
Where are we going?
That's Mexico.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
Where are we going to Mexico?
Let off the gas. Clutch down. Shift, gas. Don't let off the. Don't let the clutch just fly off. You feel me? Play with it. Oh, you got it. Now shift. Oh, that's the wrong gear. Fuck. That's the wrong gear, bro. Put it in a gear. Put the clutch down. You're neutral. Bro, oh my God, bro. We're gonna fuck this shit up. Bro, you put it in the wrong gear.
Hey, bro, we solid. You got it.
We chilling, bro. You're chilling in first, going 20. Bro, why didn't you do a U-turn right here? Oh, you know the turning radius isn't this big. Oh my God, you're fucked. You're fucked, kid. You're fucked. You're fucked, kid. Bro, we're in the middle of the road, bro. What the hell? First gear. E-brake up. Why is the e-brake on? Why were you driving with the e-brake on? All right. Now when you slow down, brake, and then as soon as you get down to like 1 RPM, press the clutch in and keep your foot on the brake. Do not let your foot off of the clutch. If I let my foot off of the clutch right now, you're gonna stall. So if you want to let your foot off of the clutch, you put it in neutral. And you feel me? You jack it off a little bit to the right. Yeah. Now I can let off the clutch.
Oh, you played.
Now if I want to let off the brake, I have to put the e-brake on. Now I let off the brake.
Yeah, that 10-minute tutorial really taught you a lot.
Come on, you think you got it now?
I think so.
Round 2, bro. Come on, you can get this shit. You finna walk home, bro. Clutch, we're moving. There you go. Oh, fuck. You fucking had it. What are you getting out for? Yes, sir. We finally got moving, gang. Hell yeah. Gas that shit. Fuck yeah. This shit's slow as fuck. Okay. Oh. Oh. Wrong gear. Don't put it in a lower gear when you're going that fast. Oh, this shit's poor transmission. Give it some gas now. Gas. You're in neutral, gang. Put it in a second. Put it in a second, not first. There you go. Okay. You're still going a little fast, but it's okay. Now shift in the third. Shift in the third. Oh, that's fucking 5th. That's another gear. I don't know. This poor transmission, bro. Bro, this isn't fucking Fast and Furious where you just fucking 2JZ swap everything. Oh, gas. Hell yeah, brother! We're banging gears! Hell yeah, gang! Fuck yeah!
I got a stay bro, got a blip, we catching hella poles. I love some melon in the dark bitch, oh yellow. It get nasty when I'm fucking, you can tuck it, she get sweaty. He say he getting money, I'm like, hey, who you telling?
My dogs catch me running to a bag, I'm in the corner like a Reza. Stella got me teed up.